Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can make a video to black and white on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap on the Photos app, and in here tap on the Library tab at the bottom, and in your Photos library select a video that you would like to convert to black and white. Next, tap on the Edit button at the top. Then in here, tap on the Adjust button at the bottom. And in here, you want to swipe across and select Saturation. And at the bottom here, drag the bar all the way to your left. And you can see now the video is in black and white. Then tap on Done. Now press on the play button to have a preview of your video. Now another way how you can set your video to black and white is to use the color filter. So I'm just going to revert this video back to the original color format and then tap on Edit. Next, tap on the filter icon at the bottom here, tap on Filters and swipe across, and you will see there are some black and white filter. You got Mono, you got Silvertone and Noir. So let's say if we choose Mono, you can see now the video is in black and white as well. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.